friends, welcome back to the channel here. So we are actually getting a huge snowstorm. Well, I should say we're supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm. They've canceled school for today and tomorrow, and then hopefully by Thursday everything will be done. But we've got maybe a couple inches of snow. Honestly, not as much as I was thinking we were gonna get. It is really, really cold out here though. But we're supposed to get more tomorrow and I think later on this evening, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so we're kind of snowed in at the moment. I came out to check on the cats and get them settled, get them some food. I got them in their cat house. We have a cat house with a light in there to keep them warm. So yeah. So I just letting Dozer out and just standing out here, and I thought I'd give you guys an update because it is cold and I haven't really updated you guys, and I haven't really done a vlog in a while. So even though it's gonna be kind of boring because we're stuck at home, I thought maybe I would vlog a little bit of this journey with you guys in the snowstorm. It's something. Hey, oddball. Hey, babe. So, yeah, I'm gonna... Come here, baby. Come here. Take you over to the house. She must have been under the house. I'll put my gloves on. I'm gonna check in a minute. Alright, I'm back, guys. So, this is our cat house right here. Kind of got the tires propped up, so it keeps the heat in a little bit more. But yeah, it's very, very chilly and icy out. So, but I think me and Dozer are gonna go back inside, and I think me and the kids are gonna have some pizza and have a movie night and watch some Christmas movies. It should be a good time. Oh, it is definitely cold out. You ready to go in? So, I guess I will check in later. Bye, guys. Good morning, friends. So it's like 7 in the morning. I had to come out and check on the cats. The cats are fine. They're eating. But it's cold out, and we got probably a good foot of snow. I'll try to do a pan over so you can kind of see what the yard looks like. It's definitely cold and chilly. I'm not sure if it's supposed to snow still more today or not, but I looked at the ND North Dakota road maps map, and North Dakota is shut down. Yeah, I got you food. You got food down there. So yeah, so all of North Dakota is shut down today, so we ain't going anywhere for a while. Snowdrifts isn't that bad in the driveway. It's not too bad, so that's kind of nice. Just hanging with my kitties. Hey, Stubbs. Hi, buddy. Getting so big. Yeah, you got so big. Oh, there's my Stubbs. Getting so big. So I'll do a quick pan over and show you guys like what it looks like right now, and then I'll show you guys a little later and see if we get more snow. So I don't know what the total is right yet, but we shall see. So let me show you. Hey guys, just another quick check-in. So I made it over to the shop. I had to dig out to even get the door open. I got the skid steer plugged in. My brother-in-law is actually going to be coming and help me get the Bobcat out, or the skid steer out. So I can get the driveway at least plowed a little bit. It's still really, it's blowing, so there's still a lot of drifts and stuff. So hopefully we can get plowed out enough that if they have school tomorrow, the bus can get in the driveway and I can get out to go to their Christmas program. Fingers crossed. But anyways, thought I would, oh man, massive snowdrift by the door. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but look, I'm gonna make a path so the skid steer can make it out. So this is gonna be fun, yay me. So I'm gonna go and shovel until they get here and see what I can get done. So yay, let's go. Good morning, everyone. So it is finally over. The blizzard is finally over. Yesterday it was blowing a lot, so they didn't get like a lot of the roads cleared. So my husband wasn't able to come home last night, so he's gonna come home this morning. It's kind of like they opened the roads. The roads was closed yesterday for most of the day, but they opened the roads, so he's gonna make his way home sometime today, and then he's got to clear the yard so we can get out. It's gonna take him probably all day to clear the yard, because we got a massive snow drift down there at the end of the driveway, and then we got like 3 massive snow drifts right here coming up around. So yeah, it's been an interesting blizzard. I am tired. I don't know if I'm catching a cold or something, but last night I started coming down with a sore throat, and today I got a little bit of a runny nose, so who knows? Maybe it's just being locked inside all week. I don't know. But I just came outside to check on the cats, but they are good. They're hiding somewhere. So safe and sound. Guess I'll find them later. Excuse me. But I just wanted to show you the aftermath of the blizzard that kept us in the house for 5 days. Let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yep, 5 days. Well, today's Saturday, so hopefully we'll be able to get out. But yeah, it's been an interesting week. The boys have definitely been cooped up, and hopefully we can get out and maybe play in the snow for a little bit later today. We shall see. Get the sled out, and there's lots of snow drifts they can go sledding down. But I think I'm gonna close out this vlog. I really didn't do a whole lot of other stuff. I did like indoor like cleaning and stuff. But yeah, I didn't do a whole lot of everything. Are you stuck in there? I hear some babies stuck in the hole. Those snows. Gotta go get the thing. But yeah, I didn't really do a whole lot. I just kind of hung around the house, took care of the kids, and it's been a week, let me tell you. I am tired of snow, and I'm ready to get out of said snow. But it's gonna be a while. Hang on 1 second. So you think I would have like a little spade for like a garden? I'm not a gardener at all. So I could dig out like the little hole so the cats could get out. Nope. I went in the house and I got my spatula because I gotta break down the snow. So we're gonna try this and see if I can get the snow out of the hole so the cats can get out from under the house. Should be interesting. I will check back in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back in the house, warming up. It's cold out there. I had to put my snow pants on because my legs were so cold. But I got the cats dug out of the hole. So they're out there eating food and stuff and whatnot. So, I think I'm going to go for now, and we're going to go and I'm going to relax for a little bit because I still got, I don't know, like if it's just cabin fever or whatever, but I got a little bit of gunk, so being out there was like, whew, a lot. But I'm going to take the boys out a little later, and we're going to try to clear some snow away from the shop so my husband can get the bobcat or the skid steer out so he can clear the yard. So yeah, I will show you guys a little later him clearing the yard or whatever. I feel like it. But anyways, I'm going to go for now, and I will check in later, guys. Bye.